today we'll be making an adorable ruffle deco mesh wreath. What you will need, I have a 14-inch wreath ring. I have purple, lavender, white, and pink deco mesh. Some adorable styrofoam eggs. Chanel stems. Scissors or a rotary cutter. And a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so I have cut my mesh into 8-inch long pieces. I have white, soft pink, hot pink, purple, and lavender. Sometimes I only use 3 colors, sometimes I use even more colors. Go with whatever colors you prefer. Even if you want to double up on the pink or the purple or anything like that. Just have fun with it and make it your own. I have also cut my stems in half. So I'm going to take my white and my pink, and I'm going to layer them halfway. So sometimes I do layer directly on top of the other, but I like to layer halfway just because it makes for a more fun and fuller and more whimsical wreath. But again, you can go with whichever you prefer. And then I'm going to take my lavender, and then my purple. And I'm just alternating the sides as I add them. So I'm going from left, right, and they're all overlapping in the center. And then my pink. Just like that. And I'm going to scrunch. So scrunch, 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 and scrunch. Just like that, and hold it nice and tight in the center. Take your stem and twist it around. Make sure it's nice and secure. And I have also made this ruffle method by adding the stems to the wreath ring first. So that is another option. It's just whatever you prefer. So, and I just kind of fan it out, and then once I add it to the wreath, I'll kind of separate the layers. But that's what it looks like. I'll show you one more. Let's go with the purple, pink, white, pink, and lavender. And then scrunch it all together. Just like that. So if you want to layer the colors the exact same each time, you can do that as well. Sometimes I just mix it up to make it, you know, more fun and colorful, but it's whatever you prefer. So we're going to make all of our bundles, and then we'll start placing it on our wreath. Alright, so I have made all of my bundles. Now I'm going to start placing them on my wreath. Again, however many bundles you want in each section, that's completely up to you. The more bundles you place, the poofier your wreath will be. I usually like to go with 3 in each of my 6 sections. So I'll go outer, inner, outer, inner, outer, inner, and just alternate all the way around. If you use a longer stem, you can just place them all in the center too, if you choose to do so. If you want to go outer, inner, you can do that as well. The possibilities are endless. But I'm going to go with this method today. So we're going to just take a bundle, the 2 stems at the bottom, and I'm going to place it on the outer ring right here and twist it a couple of times and tuck it away, just like that. And then it will move and slide around a little bit. That's fine. It'll become more stable the more bundles we place. Alright, so then the next one will go on this inner ring. So outer, inner, all the way around my wreath. And I'm just twisting it and then tucking it away. And just repeat this step all the way around my wreath. And I like to get all of my bundles together first because I feel like it makes the process go by a little bit faster. But if you want to go one at a time and place the bundles as you go, you can do that as well. Whatever you prefer. Alright, so I have all of my bundles in place. I have 3 bundles in each of my 6 sections. Now I'm just going to go around and kind of separate my layers just to kind of flare it out and fluff it up a little bit more. Okay, so once you've fluffed it out as much as you'd like, you could actually finish it here. This is a really cute and poofy and fluffy wreath by itself. But I'm going to add in a few adorable little eggs to my wreath. It's like this. They're just styrofoam eggs, and I'm going to use a hot glue gun to hot glue them throughout the wreath. So I always like to place them first before I glue, just to make sure I like where they are. And that way, if I want to, I can kind of move it around a little, play with it a little bit. Okay, I think I'm pretty happy with that. So I'm just going to take a hot glue gun and glue them in place, or if you want to use like floral wire or anything like that. Glue them all in place. You can add more or less. I just wanted a couple just to make it look so cute and adorable. You can add a sign to the center. You can add ribbon, carrots, bows, any type of embellishment you'd like. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make.